Hello everyone! In this video, I use a leather dye product to hide blemishes in my Ford Explorer seats. I've tried many different ways to clean the marker off, but it still is clearly visible. I found a product from SeatDoctors.com which has worked quite adequately, and I want to share my process with you. Enjoy! In the video, I mostly follow the instructions on the bottle, but may not follow them completely. First, wipe off any dirt or grease. I just used a cotton cloth and water on the area that I worked on. To begin the dye process, make sure to mix the contents of the bottle by vigorously shaking it for about 30 seconds. Next, grab a cloth, dab some dye, and rub on a thin layer. I found that you have very limited time to rub it on, maybe about 10 seconds or so. As it dries, you start to rub the dye off in some places, and it doesn't look good. If this happens, however, don't worry, because you can add layers to it. Let it dry for a couple of hours or use a blow dryer to speed things up. I blow dried it for about 2 minutes between each coat. Add another coat, and another, until you have the results you desire. I used 3 coats and had adequate results. The reason I say adequate is also because the color isn't a perfect match. It is good enough for me, however, and I'd give this method about a 4.2 out of 5 overall. After the last coat dried, I wiped it with a clean towel just in case there was anything that would come off of it. It's probably not so important for the headrest, but maybe more important for the seat itself, as you wouldn't want any of the dye on your clothes. Anyways, the cloth did not appear to have anything on it after wiping. So that's the method I used, and would love to know if anyone has any different products they know about to dye or clean permanent marker. But thanks to SeatDoctor.com for their product, I'm glad I was able to find it. Happy cleaning and God bless.